Engineered Math Random Solve Problem number 24. Find the area bounded by the parabolas x squared equals 9 minus y and x squared equals 8y. Okay, so kuhain muna natin yung point of intersection nung dalawang parabola. So, pwede nating isolve pareho for y in terms of x. So, sa x squared equals 9 minus y, transpose ko lang si negative y sa kaliwa, transpose si x squared sa kanan, we have 9 minus x squared. Okay, so y is equal to 9 minus x squared. Ito naman, pwede kong gawin is, di-divide ko lang both sides by 8 para y is equal to x squared over 8 or paligtarin natin y is x squared over 8. So, pwede natin i-equate yung y kasi equal sila. So, 9 minus x squared is equal to x squared over 8. Yan. Para ma-solve natin yung x-coordinate ng point of intersection. So, multiply ko both sides by 8. Yan. Para mawala tong 8, bale 8 times 9, 72 minus 8x squared equals 8, x squared over 8 times 8, cancel yung 8, so x squared na lang. Transpose ko si negative x squared sa kaliwa, si 72 transpose sa kanan, so negative 8x squared minus x squared is equal to negative 72. Negative 8x squared minus x squared is negative 9x squared equals negative 72. Divide both sides by 9. Cancel the 9. X squared is negative 72 over negative 9 is 8, right? Then get the square root of both sides. X is square root of x squared x na lang equal to dalawang sign dapat plus minus 8. Yan. So, yung point of intersection nila, yung x-coordinate is plus minus square root of 8. So, para ma-visualize natin, i-graph natin yung dalawang parabola. So, yung una, 9, y is equal to 9 minus x squared. So, parabola opening downward siya, di ba? Na shifted 9 units upward. Okay, from the graph y equals to negative x squared. So, tataas siya, let's say 9 units. Opening is downward. This is 9, okay? Let's say 9 siya. Ito yung y equals 9 minus x squared. Tapos yung isa is y is equal to 1/8 x squared. Parabola opening upward naman, 'di ba? Ang vertex niya is at the origin. Let's say ganyan. Okay, so this is y is equal to x squared over 8. So yung dalawang point of intersection is ito. Ito yung at x is, 'di ba, isang positive tsaka isang negative. Ito yung negative square root of 8. Tapos ito yung x is positive square root of 8. So, hanapin natin ngayon yung areas bounded nila. Itong shinade kong green. So, gamit tayo ng vertical strip na lang. Okay? Pag vertical strip yung ginamit, ang formula ng area is integral from x1 to x2 ng y upper minus y lower dx. So, ano yung y upper? Yung pinakataas nung area. Graph na yon. Ang graph na yon is yung sa y, ito. Y minus, y is equal to 9 minus x squared, no? So, integral ng 9 minus x squared, then minus y lower, siya yung graph nung y is equal to x squared over 8. Then, yung lower limit is yung negative square root of 8. Upper limit is positive square root of 8. Yan. Pwede pa natin tong i-combine yung sa integrand. 9 minus x squared over 8. Bale, negative 1 minus 1/8 is negative 9/8 x squared dx. Ngayon, para mas mapadali pa yung pag-integrate natin, we can apply the formula na integral from negative a to a ng f of x dx is equal to 2 integral from 0 to a of f of x dx if f of x is even function. Pag even function, pag in-evaluate natin yung f of negative x, equal pa rin siya sa f of x. So, even function ba tayo? Yes. Diba? Let's say yung f of x natin is 9 minus 9x squared. Pag in-evaluate natin yung f of negative x, papalitan natin yung x ng negative x, bali 9 minus 9/8, negative x squared, 9 minus 9/8, negative x squared is x squared pa rin. So, same sa f of x. Tapos, yung a natin is square root of 8, di ba? Isang negative tsaka isang positive. So, pwedeng i-apply sa integral natin itong formula. So, magiging, para mas madali, ma-zero yung isang lower limit, di ba? Magiging integral from 0 na lang to square root of 8, tapos may times 2 nga lang siya na coefficient, then yung pinaka-integrand, same lang, copy. Yan. So, saka natin i-evaluate. So, 2 times integral nung 9 dx is 9x minus integral ng 9/8x squared. So, 9/8 constant, copy lang. Integral ng x squared by power rule is x to the 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1, or that's x cubed over 3. Right? Evaluated from 0 to square root of 8. So, 9 divided by 3, cancel. So, 3 na lang. So, magiging 2 times 9x minus 3/8x cubed square root of 8. Evaluated, from 0 to square root of 8. So, to evaluate the definite integral, substitute mo muna yung upper limit na square root of 8 sa x. So, 2 times 9 square root of 8 minus 3/8 square root of 8 cube. Okay? And then, minus, so yun yung kagandahan na ginawa ko kasi kapag in-evaluate naman natin sa lower limit, yung 0 palit mo sa x, mazi-0 na sila, right? So, kahit wag na nating i-evaluate. Okay? Kasi, supposed to be, dapat, meron pa yung lower limit 9 times 0 minus 3/8, 0 cube. Pero ito nga, 0 lang siya. So, no need na nating isulat. So, ito na lang talaga yung isi-simplify natin. So, we have 2 times 9 square root of 8 minus 3/8. So, square root of 8 cube, diba? Mangyayari dyan is square root of 8 cube. Pwede mong ipasok yung cube sa 8. Then, makakalabas yung square root of 8 square. Diba? Pwede mong isulat yung 8 cube as 8 squared times 8 to the first. So, etong square root ng 8 square is 8. Tapos may iwan ka pang square root of 8. Yan. So, ngayon magiging 2 times 9 square root of 8 minus, cancel mo na yung 8 dito, 3 square root of 8 na lang. So, 2 times 9 minus square root of 8 minus 3 square root of 8 is 6 square root of 8. And then, 2 times 6, 12 square root of 8. Or actually, pwede mo pang i-simplify yung square root of 8. Diba? 12 square root of 8, factor natin as 4 times 2. So, makakalabas pa yung 4 sa square root. So, 12 times square root of 4 is 2. Tas may iwan yung 2 sa square root. Bale, 12 times 2 is 24 square root of 2. Square units. So, ito na yung area bounded by the two parabola. 24 square root of 2 square units.